Changing the exterior lights on your 986 Boxster is a bit quirky and different from most cars. For instance, the headlights use a tool from the toolkit and just slide and lock into the fender. I'm Damien from Pelican Parts, and today I'm going to show you how to change all the exterior light bulbs on your 986.
A trim tool and a couple of variations of the Phillips screwdriver is all we need, and don't forget the gloves. Open the front and grab the tool roll. Look for the headlight removal tool. The end of the tool, the hex, is what we need to unlock the headlight from the fender. To get to the headlight lock, remove this fastener so you can peel back the carpeted trim panel. You'll see a rubber plug that needs to be removed. This is the access hole for the headlight lock. If you insert the headlight tool and turn it counterclockwise, you'll hear an audible pop. This is how you know the headlight's unlocked from the fender. Now you can pull the headlight straight out and away from the car. If you look inside the fender, you'll see the mechanism with the rails that hold the headlight and lock it in place, as well as the connector. This is what unlocks and locks the headlight. To change the bulbs, flip the headlight over and take off this access cover. Then simply unplug whichever bulb you're trying to replace. Press on the spring clip and pull the bulb straight out. When reinstalling the headlight, make sure you pay attention to these posts. These ride along the rails on the bracket and allow everything to line up. Turning the headlight tool clockwise will lock the headlight in place. The side markers come out super easily. Grab the end towards the front of the car and push it towards the rear of the car. Disconnect the connector and turn the bulb holder counterclockwise to remove it. The bulb just simply pulls out. When lining the bulb holder back up, make sure these tabs are in the correct spot and turn clockwise to lock it back into place. The taillight does not need to be removed to change the bulbs. This carpeting covers the taillight bulb carrier. Just unscrew these plastic retainers and move the carpeting out of the way for now. Disconnect the main connector to the taillight bulb carrier. Squeeze this tab to disengage the bulb carrier from the taillight itself and pull the whole thing straight out. This is where you want to use gloves. The oils from your fingers will heat up on the glass of the bulb and cause premature failure. These are bayonet style bulbs, so if you push and turn counterclockwise, they'll pop out of the carrier. To change the license plate bulb, the whole light has to come out of the bumper. There's a Phillips screw on each side of each light. Unscrew those and pull the whole light straight down. After pulling up on this rubber gasket, you can see the two wires connected to the bulb. These bulbs pressure fit into the contacts by using the pointed edges on each side. After changing the bulb and putting the whole light in the bumper, make sure this rubber gasket is completely sealed around the edge of the light. To change the third brake light, you have to get the tonneau cover raised. Along the top edge, there's 2 Phillips screws holding the light to the body of the car. Remove those and pull the light straight out. Disconnect it, and by prying gently on the 6 retaining tabs, pull the bulb carrier out. You can see ours was damaged before and someone glued it back together. With the carrier out, these are just like the side marker bulbs. They pull straight out of the carrier itself.
As you can see, changing any bulb on the outside of your 986 is pretty easy, as long as you know what you're going after. If you want to learn more, come find us at pelicanparts.com.